Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix low call volume on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if you're expressing low call volume on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro or 15 Pro Max, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. So first of all, you have to check the call volume during a call. While on a call, use the volume buttons on the side of your iPhone to increase the volume. It's possible that the call volume is set to low. After this, you have to clean the speaker and receiver. Dust and debris can accumulate in the speakers and receivers areas, affecting call volume. Use a small soft brush or compressed air to gently clean these areas. After this, you have to remove any accessories. If you are using a case or any accessories that covers the speaker or microphone, remove them and check if the call volume improves or not. After checking this tree and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to restart your iPhone. Sometimes software glitches can cause low call volume. Simply try restarting your iPhone by going to settings. You scroll down, tap on general, again you scroll down, tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone 15 and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to check that your iPhone 15 is up to date in iOS version. Go to software update and check if any update is available for your iPhone 15 or not. If there is update available, then you have to make sure that you have update your iOS 70 to the latest version of iOS. After this and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. If none of the steps work, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Simply go to settings, then go to general, scroll down, tap on shutdown, shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After applying this all solution you're still facing the same issue, then you have to remember to test that call volume after each two steps to see if the issue can be resolved. If the problem continues to persist, it's best to seek professional assistance from Apple support or an authorized service provider to diagnose and address any potential hardware issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.